Civil versus structural engineering. Which career pays more in 2025? Why this comparison matters. Civil and structural engineering are two of the most respected fields in construction and infrastructure. But which one will earn you more in 2025? Today, we'll compare salaries, career paths, job growth, and industry trends so you can make an informed decision. Whether you're a student choosing a major or a professional planning your next move, this video will give you a clear picture of where the money is and why. What civil engineers do. Civil engineers plan, design, and oversee infrastructure projects like roads, bridges, airports, and water systems.
Typical roles.
Project engineer, transportation engineer, environmental engineer. Skills required: CAD software, project management, geotechnical knowledge, structural basics. Salary: entry level, $65,000 to $75,000 per year. Mid-level, $85,000 to $105,000 per year. Senior level, $120,000 to $140,000 per year. Example: a civil engineer designing a new highway or urban transportation system. Civil engineers are versatile. They can work in public infrastructure, private construction, or consultancy. Job growth is steady, around 8% from 2020 to 2030, due to urban development and renewable energy projects. What structural engineers do. Structural engineers specialize in analyzing and designing structures to withstand loads and forces. Focus areas: buildings, bridges, towers, stadiums, and offshore structures. Skills required: advanced structural analysis, material science, CAD/FEA software like ETABS or SAP 2000. Salary: entry-level $70,000 to $80,000 per year, mid-level $90,000 to $115,000 per year, senior level $130,000 to $160,000 per year. Example: a structural engineer ensuring a skyscraper can withstand earthquakes or strong winds. Structural engineering is more specialized than general civil engineering. Because it requires advanced technical knowledge, salaries tend to be higher on average, especially in commercial and high-rise construction. Salary comparison in 2025. Civil engineer average salary, U.S. 2025 projections. Approximately $88,000, $110,000 structural engineer average salary, U.S. 2025 projections. Approximately $95,000, $120,000 high-paying sectors for civil engineers: transportation, water resources, infrastructure consulting. High-paying sectors for structural engineers: high-rise buildings, stadiums, offshore structures, seismic design. While civil engineers have broader job opportunities, structural engineers often earn more due to the technical expertise required. In the next 5 years, senior structural engineers could earn $150,000 plus in specialized projects. Career growth and opportunities. Civil engineers, urban development projects, renewable energy infrastructure, wind farms, solar plants, government and municipal projects. Structural engineers, skyscraper construction, bridges and highways with complex loads offshore and industrial structures. Both fields are growing, but structural engineering may have faster growth in specialized high-demand sectors, especially in earthquake-prone areas or major urban developments. Education and certification requirements. Civil engineers, bachelor's degree in civil engineering. PE license, optional but recommended. Structural engineers often require a master's degree in structural engineering. PE license is crucial for independent practice. Certification adds 10 to 20% salary bump. Additional certifications: LEED, PMP for civil, SE exam for structural engineers. Structural engineers often invest more in education and certification, but this investment typically results in higher pay and more specialized career paths. Pros and cons. Which career to choose? Civil engineering pros: broad opportunities, public infrastructure involvement, flexibility in job roles. Civil engineering cons: slightly lower pay in specialized projects, less focus on high-rise or extreme structures. Structural engineering pros: higher earning potential, highly specialized skills, Exciting projects like skyscrapers and stadiums. Structural engineering cons requires more education and certification. Narrower career focus. Ultimately, the choice depends on your interests. If you want variety and involvement in community infrastructure, civil engineering is ideal. If you love complex design, calculations, and high-stakes structures, structural engineering could be more rewarding financially and professionally. Conclusion. So which pays more in 2025? On average, structural engineering slightly outpaces civil engineering due to its specialized nature. But both fields are essential, respected, and offer strong career growth. Your decision should balance salary, personal interest, and long-term career goals. Comment below. Are you leaning towards civil or structural engineering? Like, share, and subscribe for more career insights in engineering and tech.